Welcome to today's short lesson on the human cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living organisms, including you and me. Every second, billions of cells in your body are working together to keep you alive, helping you breathe, move, grow, and stay healthy. In this video, we'll explore the structure of a typical human cell and understand the role of each of its major parts. By the end, you'll know exactly what makes a cell work like a tiny, living machine. Let's get started. So first, what exactly is a cell? A cell is the basic unit of life. That means every living thing, from plants to animals to humans, is made up of cells. Humans have trillions of cells, and each one performs a specific job. Some cells help your body fight infections, some carry oxygen, and others help your brain send messages. Even though they're too small to see with your eyes, each cell is incredibly organized and full of activity. Here, you can see a simple diagram of a human cell. Most human cells have two main areas: the nucleus, which is usually right in the center, and the cytoplasm, which fills the rest of the cell. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that holds and supports all the tiny parts inside the cell. These parts are called organelles, and they each have special jobs. Let's take a closer look at them. The nucleus is often called the control center or the brain of the cell. Why? Because it contains DNA, the set of instructions that tells the cell how to live, grow, and function. Think of DNA like a recipe book that contains all the information the cell needs. The nucleus uses this information to control everything the cell does, from dividing to repairing itself. Now let's talk about the organelles, the tiny structures inside the cell that keep it alive. First, we have the mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell. They produce energy, just like a battery that keeps everything running. Next are the ribosomes, which make proteins. Proteins help build and repair your body, and every cell needs them to function. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, works like a transportation system inside the cell. It helps move important materials from one place to another. The Golgi body acts like a packaging center. It prepares and sends out molecules that the cell needs or wants to export. And finally, lysosomes are responsible for breaking down waste. They clean up old or damaged parts of the cells so everything stays healthy. Surrounding the entire cell is the cell membrane. The cell membrane protects the cell and controls what enters and leaves. It acts like a security guard, letting in the good things and blocking out the harmful ones. Let's quickly review. A cell is the basic unit of life. The nucleus controls the cell using DNA. Organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, the ER, the Golgi body, and lysosomes each have important jobs. And the cell membrane keeps the whole cell safe and regulated. Cells may be tiny, but together, they make everything in your body possible. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.